Good morning, everyone. It is September 22nd. Technically our third day of harvest. We cut beans the first day, then corn, shelled corn yesterday, and then shelling more corn this morning. We've got 100 acres here at the shop that's doing about 20%, 20.5%. Elevator is offering half price drying, so that's essentially like taking in corn at 17.5%. As far as cost to dry it down, so everything is running well. Hopefully it continues that way. We'll keep going today. And it is 59 degrees, so a lot better than it was yesterday. It was like 92. Feels amazing. Feels like fall. We're excited. Like a well-oiled machine, we're rolling now. I don't know how bad the line is going to be at the elevator today. Supposedly they were going to let us drive on that new asphalt today, but we'll see. Ready for a coyote. Well, everything is going smoothly so far. Trucks are able to keep up. I'm not sure of the situation at the elevator. I haven't asked. Basically, as soon as one is leaving, one is getting right back, so that's staying pretty consistent. Dad's in the combine. Luke and Jonathan are in each semi. So everything's going well. Combine's up there. We're probably 70% done with this field south of the lane. It's like 40 acres, so get this done, then hop across to the north side of the lane. Start on that. You guys can't see it, but our buddy Ben's over there, their combine, shelling corn. They got one of those fence, pretty cool. Like our Case IH better, but hey, to each his own. everything's going well, and we're happy with how everything's turning out. Well, we just got back from lunch, and Dad said that I need to have Shay come down here and teach you how to run the cart. Because, as usual, we're short-handed. Always short-handed. So, teach her how to run this, hopefully. She should be able to get it figured out pretty soon. So I'll show you guys a little training process of how to run the grain cart. Here's our trainee. Are you ready to learn?
I am ready.
Well, thank you. Well, Shay is with me now. She has ridden with me quite a bit the past few years, but she's never actually driven it by herself, so we're giving her the full in-depth training.
So funny.
What? What's the matter?
I think I'm acting like I'm gonna wreck. I am a highly skilled trained professional.
A highly skilled trained professional, she says. Well, she's just gonna sit in here for a couple hours, and then I'll ride with her while she runs it later on this afternoon, and we'll see how she does. I'll have to fill out her report card later. Well, folks, she's doing it. She has run it one other time, I think, with me in here. So if you stop, yeah, go ahead and stop, and throttle back all the way, and put it in neutral.
Highly skilled trained professional.
So how was your first time?
It was great.
So she just hopped in. Like I said, last time I talked to you guys, it was a couple hours ago. So she thinks she is ready to take on big responsibility. Elevator line is starting to slow up a little bit now. Both pits are open and both scales are open, but it's just a lot of people going in. So we're able to stay caught up, but just barely. We need 3 trucks. Obviously we only have 2, but what are you gonna do? That's why Shay is in here. That way, whenever we need to, I or whoever else can go do something else, whether that be pull the wagon with a pickup, which we don't like doing, but we've done it before, or go work ground if need be. So, everything is going smoothly so far. Shay is getting it figured out, and we'll catch you here in a little while. Just loaded her first truck, so I was coaching her on that one, and next one I'll film for you guys. What? A little bit. That's good. Just find out where you're out in the ditch and just drive straight with that. A little bit farther forward. You got to hit the brakes probably. Throttle back. Yes.
Now I need to open up the thing.
Yes. Okay, now gear down to 3rd. Now throttle up. Can you see very well?
Yeah, a little bit.
Go ahead and pull the spout back, just barely. That's good. Too much? One more. That's good. One thing to look for, if you can't see the brake, if you can't see the actual pile coming up, you can see the corn bouncing. Turn to your wheels to the right a little bit. Not that much. Okay. Okay, on this next one, try holding the brakes about that much. Maybe not quite that hard. Okay, now go ahead and ease forward. More. You're right in the middle of the trailer. Right there. Okay, now push your spout left, just barely. Keep going. One more, right there. You're angling too far right now. See, go back to the left. There you go. Okay, now get ready to close your gate. Right before that pile comes up, close it.
That's the throttle, right?
Yes. And close it. And full forward. 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 And throttle down and shut off the PT. Very nice. I think your first time was better though.
Yes, I agree.
That's okay. Is the camera.
Yes.
Well, everyone, it's all she wrote for today. It's a little after 5. The elevator closes at 6, but Luke and Jonathan said the lines are really long, so they took in their last loads. They'll probably be in there at least half an hour. Not sure if we're gonna do anything tomorrow, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.